Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We at Mind Your Art believe that art is for all. Join us today as we take you through our favorite medium of expression, collage. This is also our very first video. Yay, we're so excited. Today, we're going to make a collage with found objects. These are essentially scraps of material found lying around the house. We begin with collecting the material for our collage. Here I have collected only purple objects. I have used purple crayons, pencil colors, sketch pens, markers and even purple stamping ink to make these swatches for the collage. Here are some purple pictures I found in an old magazine. I also have used purple yarn left over from another project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. What other material would you like to see us use in a collage? Let us know in the comments below. Next, we try a few layouts and compose these objects on our page. Move things around till you are happy with the results. Now, let's stick everything in its place. Next, we add some details with markers or sketch pens. Here is the final result. Hope you enjoyed our very first video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.